In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, launch settings and scroll to tap on advanced features. Then click on this section at the bottom called Dual Messenger. And when you're ready, clone any app by clicking on gray switcher next to one of the available ones. Then choose Install and wait. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. If you want to delete any of your cloned apps, you can do that by tapping on the same no blue switcher and selecting Uninstall. Now, if you want to clone your apps and use separate contact list, click on this option on the left and enable it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Then click on Select Contacts over here and after clicking on Add at the top right corner, select them. Then hit Done and go back. If you decide that you don't want to do that, you can delete your contacts the same way. Hit Delete, select them and choose Done. Then, in this pop-up, confirm that you don't want to add new ones or add new ones by choosing Add. Now, you need to disable this option by tapping on blue switcher and hitting OK in Use Your Regular Contacts pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!